Hi there. The Westminster SDA church family is enjoying the time here at the Blue Mountain Park, Coquitlam for a corn roast and picnic. The church is an advocate for a healthy lifestyle. Today is no different. The church family is bringing in sweet watermelons and non-GMO corn roast festivity for people to enjoy the day.
Well, when you think of GMO, most people don't know what glyphosate is, but most people have heard of GMO, and GMO, genetically modified organism, is well known nowadays for being a cancer-causing agent.
No, I hope everybody's gonna come in today, and we're just waiting for a few more brothers and sisters.
What a great day! What can be better than getting together with our church family and enjoying a beautiful picnic? Perfect.
Awesome.
Well, this is a very special day. Once in a year, a real feast of real corn from Chilliwack, from Preston Road. And Shelley and Mike were up early collecting all these good corn, and here we are. And the sun is shining. It's good to be alive. The birds are singing, and we're all happy to be here together.
I'm sitting back in the sun, enjoying a piece of coleslaw. Hallelujah, bless the Lord.
Just yesterday, Friday?
This morning. It was picked this morning.
Wow, my goodness. You woke up that early?
50 dozen, yeah.
50 dozen from Chilliwack.
They're all picked and waiting to be loaded into the morning.
Wow. The bonding of a church family is just one of the many resources of strength to stay in course to that heavenly home. A Christian walk is not easy without love, faith, and belief. One of the essential weapons in Christianity is to bend the knee, where one can find comfort telling stories of its journey to its Creator. Thank you for joining me. I'm Manny Noah Labuel. Goodbye.